Heart NSTA National Training Agency of Jamaica. We are here at the diaspora to demonstrate to Jamaica and the diaspora some of the new and emerging skill sets and some of the services that the Heart Trust is providing to boost the labor force, skills development, and to ensure that there's resilience and sustainability in the labor landscape of our economy. And also to give the assurance to diaspora that in terms of the resilience of our labor force, we remain committed in training Jamaicans to the standard in keeping with the technology that has evolved in the industry. In keeping with the beauty services exposition, we also have on showcase here today, we have agriculture, we have virtual welding, we have aerial robotics, where our trainees are able to design and build drones. We also have Autonomous Mobile Robotics and Mechatronics. We have digital animation. We also have 3D printing and of course Optoelectronics and digital construction. These are the skill sets that are evolving in the industry, and we want to give the assurance to our investors in the diaspora that Jamaica has the required skill set to facilitate any investment opportunity they may seek to sought after. And we remain committed to also to work in partnership with members of the diaspora to build out the needs of their particular industry where it is required. Another initiative that we're also showcasing here today to our members in the diaspora is that Jamaica enters what is called WorldSkills Competition, and this is where we go on the international platform to demonstrate that Jamaica have the best skill sets here. And so come September 2024 in Lyon, France, we will be entering 5 skill areas with our Jamaican youths, age 22 and younger. Put them on the showcase to compete against 86 countries across the world. Last year, December, we entered a competition in China and we were placed second and gained silver in Optoelectronics. And we competed against countries such as China, Japan, Korea, Brazil, Austria, among others. And so we have what it requires to compete at the international level. And so all our competitors are here today and our experts who will be representing Jamaica. And we want the diaspora to reach out and shout out for Jamaica when competition season comes. It is from September 10 to 15, and it's really a big deal, where skills in today's world, empowered by AI and the fourth industrial revolution, is what the focus will be for that particular competition, and Jamaica will be on the big stage, courtesy of the Heart NSTA Trust, we are the home of WorldSkills Jamaica in the Western Israel.